McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wonder Lake to near Marengo, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Buffalo Grove, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Highland Park, McHenry, Vernon Hills, Woodstock, Zion, Grays Lake, Libertyville, Lake Zurich, Lake Forest, Round Lake, Deerfield, Beach Park, Waconda, Fox Lake, and Lake Villa. Including the following interstates: Interstate 94 between mile markers 2 and 24. Interstate 294 between mile markers 2 and 24. This includes Cheyenne Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Illinois Beach State Park, Lake County, Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, Ravinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection,